Python is a dynamically typed general-purpose programming language that supports an object-oriented programming approach as well as a functional programming approach. Python is an interpreted and a high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. Python is simple and easy to understand. It is interpreted and platform-independent, which makes debugging very easy. Python is an open-source programming language. It is possible to integrate other programming languages within Python. Python provides very big library support. Some of the popular libraries include NumPy, TensorFlow, Selenium, OpenCV, etc. Python is used in data visualization to create plots and graphical representations. Python helps in data analytics to analyze and understand raw data for insights and trends. It is used in AI and machine learning to simulate human behavior and to learn from past data without hard coding. It is used to create web applications. It can be used to handle databases. It is used in business and accounting to perform complex mathematical operations along with quantitative and qualitative analysis.